A little Heathkit update. Now, I'm in my laundry room and I fell down 2 days ago. I fell again and I smashed the door. Hang on. Actually, I just broke the pivot pin on the bottom. So I took the door off and I laid it in the kitchen. It's a device meant to bamboozle. Hang on. Now, we're in the bathroom. Sorry about the noise, but that fan is drying the caulk. I cut the old caulk out a couple hours ago and recalked it. Another device meant to bamboozle. Hang on. Now, man, I'm only thinking about my longevity when I buy this garbage. And summer comes to a halt, fall comes and goes. The pine needles and leaves will all be ground by myself, and I need something to do during the Michigan winter months. Those Heathkits will be beautifully restored. And maybe I do have a problem with Heathkits. Maybe I don't need them after all. And so I got a crazy idea. Yeah, maybe the family's right. Maybe I do need to sell the Heathkits. And that's why we went on a little road trip yesterday, 2 days ago. I'm going to pause you so I can take a seat. Hang on. I wish I could turn the flash on this camera, on my pocket typewriter. But I'm an old man. Shit, I forgot how to program a VCR back in the 90s, in the 80s even. Seriously, check it out. Hammerland HQ 145. Is that not a beauty? What a receiver. Yeah, and hang on, I got another little confession. Hang on. Check it out. Oh, I wish this would focus. Johnson Viking 2 transmitter. The transmitter of my dreams. Maybe I don't need to put together a beautifully restored Heathkit, proud new novice in 1970 station, or the following proud new general in 1971 station running AM. That's what I need to run AM right there, man. And no need for crystals, because I bought that from him too, the VFO. Now hang on, we got to go in the other. Now, we're not going to pause you. Come on, man. Let's go back to the land of arcs and sparks. Because I need a little privacy here. Maybe I can forego the Heathkits after I've fully restored them. Anyone want to buy them? Look at that. Oh my. And so for that Johnson Viking 2 transmitter, the Model 122 VFO, the 6 ham sticks, and this Hammerland HQ 145 receiver, I paid $300. And I'm going back. That's why I need privacy. Here, I'm going back as soon as I post this in half an hour. And hang on, man. And I'm going to buy a Hammerland HQ 62A receiver. The old fart's whole stock of new old stock vacuum tubes. An ICO signal generator, an ICO signal tracer. Why? Why not, man? It's for my vintage bench. I deserve to live, man. After all, oh man, I recalked the tub, Kyle. And, man, the family's gonna have to be a little understanding when I bring home this next haul this evening. Oh my. Anyway, I'm going back and I'm gonna sneak down to the ATM machine. I'm paying $200 for the tubes, the signal generator, the signal tracer, and the Hammerland HQ62A receiver. Oh, he's throwing in the J38 Morse code key and everything, man. You know, I think it's going to be, well, HW16, we need some light in here. This is a Babble vid like none others. My videos they continue to get worse and worse with the passage of time. I grew up on those two keyers. Those are the two exact keyers that I grew through the hobby with. I'll never sell those. I'll leave those to my kids. Teenage ham chuck, young married ham chuck. The HW16, oh, I'd hate to sell that, although that's not the exact physical unit that was mine. It's what I had. That's what Mom and Dad bought me for Christmas one year, which started me out on my journey into ham radio. And, well, the receiver, oh, she's a beauty, all right, but come on, man. What are you going to do? I'll sell it. Oh, what an AM station, those 3 units. But, oh, what a fine AM station those would be, right? Those 3 units. But really, they need to go together, man. The D104 stays. The HR10B, the VFO, and the DX60 transmitter. I'll sell them together. And the HW16, I'll keep it just for nostalgic reasons. And my kids can have it when my job is done here. The Helicopters general coverage shortwave receiver. It's not a Heathkit. It stays. 73. Be well and have fun in life. It's important to have fun.